Hello everyone, my name is Joe and this is the Joe Fixes It channel in the studio on loan from the Joe is Hungry channel. As many of you already know, see my last video, I kind of let this channel fall into neglect and now I'm getting ready to bring it back. After looking at some of my older footage where I worked under the hood, climbed under the car, I could see that I had some pretty serious lighting issues that I needed to address before I started making videos again. After doing a little bit of research, watching some videos, I decided to upgrade to a Milwaukee under the hood LED work light. So after a little bit of consideration, I decided to go with Milwaukee, mostly because I have a lot of their tools and absolutely no shortage of their batteries. I also wanted to stress this is not a review, it is just an unboxing. That will come later. Now you can pick these up online just about anywhere. Mostly they cost around $200. I bought mine on Amazon mostly because I have Prime and it was cheaper there than anywhere else I looked. Also, I got a bare unit with no batteries and no charger, mainly because I already have that stuff and don't need it. My unit shipped from Amazon, including taxes, came out to $171.04. If you want to get the combo where you have the charger and the batteries, it'll cost you roughly 50 bucks more depending upon where you go. The Milwaukee Underhood LED work light has a length of 47.51 inches with a 3.96 inches and weighs in at 4.63 ounces or 2.1 kilograms. And I assume that is without the battery pack. If you know different, leave it in the comments. The brightness options are 1350 lumens and that is a runtime of 4 hours, or you can go to 600 for a runtime of 8 hours. And that will be on their M12 REDLITHIUM XC 4.0 battery pack. And I have no idea what my runtime is going to be on my 2 amp hour battery packs, but I'll find out. And according to Milwaukee, the mounting hooks extend from 48 to 78 inches. This comes with a 5-year warranty, and the LEDs are limited lifetime, and Milwaukee says you'll never have to replace those. So let's go ahead and get this box open. Well, look what we have here. We have the light. I have a hook on it so I can hang it up off of things or leave it laying on the floor and face up. That's great. See how easy that works. Just like that. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. You can extend this out. It's spring-loaded. Let's throw a battery in it and see how bright it is. I don't know if you'll be able to tell on the camera or not, but there you go. So this is the brightest, and we'll be seeing how that does. You got an on and off switch and a mode switch. And in about 2 or 3 months, we'll be doing a review and tell you what I think. Until then, we will see you in the next video.